Very good morning to all my lovely students. Welcome to Narayana Life Classes. Today we're going to solve the English assignment for class 6 and the chapter is Desert Animals. So now let's start with the assignment. Question number A. State whether the following statements are true or false. So basically there are 5 true and false statements. First one. No animal can survive without water. That's true because not a single animal, not even the humans, can survive without having water. Second, deserts are endless sand dunes. False, because sometimes there are two kinds of deserts, hot and cold as well. And in hot there are endless sand dunes, whereas in cold there are no endless sand dunes. Third, most snakes are harmless. True, because there are many snakes who just act as if they are biting and they even bite but they have no poison at all. Fourth, snakes cannot hear but they can feel vibrations through the ground. True, because they cannot hear but if somebody is coming, somebody is tampering, they can feel that vibration onto their body. Fifth, camels store water in their hump. False, because you have studied in the lesson, camels store fat in their hump which gives them energy when there is lack of food and water. B part. Rewrite the sentences using most and the clues below. So you basically have to start the sentence with the word most and there are clues given in the brackets. So now see the example. Sixth. In the bracket it is 90% of people are honest, 10% are dishonest. So this is given, but how you are going to write it by using the word most. So 90% is high, 10% is low. So for 90% we will use most and 10% we will use few. So the sentence will be most of the people are honest, but a few, it means 10%, but a few are dishonest. Understood? Seventh, lots of fruits have plenty of sugar. Some citrus fruits are low in sugar. So lots of and some. So we can use them directly and same. So most of the fruits have plenty of sugar, but as we're connecting the sentences, so we will use but. Some citrus fruits are low in sugar. Next, every soft drink except this one has lots of empty calories. Now, only one is soft drink they are giving in the example that this does not have calories. But most of the soft drinks have calories. So you will write most of the soft drinks except this one. For example, Pepsi has no calories, but others have. So most of the soft drinks except Pepsi has lots of empty calories. Ninth, the majority of films are on romances, a few are on other topics. You must be watching movies. So most of the movies are based on the heroes and heroines and their mothers and the fathers and every stuff like that. Whereas very less you will find on culture and some religious issue, right? See the answer. Most of the films, because many are there on romance, so most of the films are on romances and only a few, very little, are on other topics. And the last one, a majority of people agree that he's a good leader. Just a few disagree. So basically a majority of it means 90% from 100% agree that yes, he is an absolute good leader, but only 10% disagrees. So we will use the word most and few. So most of the people agree that he is a good leader and just a few disagree. So this was a very short assignment. I hope it's clear and you enjoyed it. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.